How to switch from the integrated graphics to the dedicated graphics card in your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can switch from your internal embedded GPU to your dedicated GPU. In this case, it could either be your RTX or your GTX graphics card. So currently, my particular laptop uses a Radeon graphics card, that is the integrated graphics card, and it also have an RTX 3050, which is the dedicated graphics card for playing heavy games. So let me show you how you can adjust this. So to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is go to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Now, once you're inside the settings, simply go to the system, and within the system, you can see this first option, that is display. Apart from display, there could be also the case that this setting is present somewhere else, but for now, let us go to display. And within the display, you have this here, that is graphics, under the related settings. So simply click onto this graphics, and within the graphics, search for that particular application on which you want to use the dedicated GPU. So, for example, let me type in any game. For example, let's say the Red Dead Redemption 2 that I have. So, currently, I can check which graphic card it is using by simply clicking onto this drop down arrow. And from here, you can see that this is currently in the power saving option and is currently using the AMD Radeon graphics. But I know that it would be less powerful in order to run it. So, what I'm going to do is simply select this to high performance NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. So now once this is done, all I will do is simply close it, and now Windows will use the 3050 graphics card in order to run the Red Dead Redemption 2. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.